So I recently got into leather making and I've just been playing around, picking up some scrap leather from the store. You can see here I made a wallet, and took a long time, didn't do a great job either. So I decided I'm going to take this into Fusion 360 and see if I can come up with some better designs and what I can come up with. And I also remembered, hey, I have a laser engraver. I can cut out these pieces with my laser cutter and let's see what we come up with. So I came up with this 4-piece wallet here, and I then cut out a template for how big of a piece I needed to put in the laser, cut it all out. And once this was cut out, I tested out a scrap piece of leather to see the right settings to cut holes. And once I had that, I was left with this. So I have 4 pieces that I cut out, and it left burnt marks on the edges. So I actually had to wash these with soap, and I decided to let these go dry out in the sun. And after they were dried out, really all that was left was sewing these together. So you can see this is kind of what it's about to look like. I did a saddle stitch across the whole thing, and you can see here that the laser holes actually poked out pretty well. Some of them left little dots, but you could poke through it without a problem. And so I started stitching away, and stitching is really the most painful process. It's so much easier with these laser poked holes, which was amazing. So that really made my life easier. But I did really struggle here, made a bunch of mistakes. Multiple times on this, I had to restart because I'm just so bad at it. But this is a finished product, and I wanted to put the cards in there while it was still wet so it could form to that shape. And then I finish off the edges with some wax just to make it more waterproof. And we're left with this black edge that is pretty waterproof. Then I decided to name this a Slim Eagle version 1. And this is the finished product, and that's where you can really see the finished black edging there. And I'm really happy with this. This is a really cool wallet, and something I'm really proud of. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm hoping to make more.